These 5 jump rope tricks are going to help you get in amazing shape. Stay tuned to the very end because I have one bonus tip just for you. Before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that you always need the proper equipment when you're trying to do anything with the jump rope. Check the links below because I have everything listed there. One of the very first tricks you want to learn as a beginner is the boxing step. This is because you're not jumping very high. You're jumping low, and this helps with just endurance. This helps you just get started. This helps you get in better shape. You'll be able to jump longer because you're not jumping very high. It's a simple trick, and it's one of the first ones you should look into trying to learn if you're just getting started. A underrated trick is the quick jump, and it's just jumping up and down really fast. Now this will push your endurance like no other. And it's just a simple trick. You're literally just doing the same regular jump rope, but you're just jumping faster. This move will help you get better coordinated. It'll help you jump faster, but it'll also raise your endurance to be able to jump longer when you're just doing regular jump ropes. Jump rope twists are a move I don't see many people talking about, but I love this move. This move is just a simple twist when you're jumping rope. Now, if you pick up the jump rope and do it, you'll feel exactly where it's helping you. It'll help you right in those obliques. It'll help your abs just twisting and twisting, so you'll just be doing an ab workout, but you're never touching the floor. It's an amazing thing to help you out not only with your coordination, but it'll also help you get defined abs without ever touching the floor. High knees also help you get amazing abs. They feel like a tiny crunch every time you lift your knees. The key is just holding your diaphragm in, just sucking that core in and really feeling every last high knee. Every knee up will feel like you're doing a crunch, helping you hit every single part of your abdominal region. The next move is cross jumps. Now this one is probably the most difficult one out of the bunch. Cross jumps help you jump faster, help you get more coordinated. Now this move is especially tricky. So you want to check the link I have below and it'll show you exactly how to do them step by step. Now if you really want to get in good shape with a jump rope, you're going to want to add a heavy jump rope. Now check this video out right here. It'll take you through step by step on how to add a heavy jump rope to your workout program. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.